Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add ending credits in Capcut. First of all, you need to open up the Capcut app. Then select a video from the gallery. After opening the video, hold on and expand the video. Then click on Text from the menu bar and go into Add Text. You can write anything in the text box, and after writing the description, you can adjust the text anywhere on the video. Also, you can copy and paste it from the source file. First, you need to adjust the text at the end or on the top of the screen, so this way they will go with the flow. Once the text is adjusted on the screen, save the video and export it to your device. Once the file is saved, open a new project. Upload the video we have just created. Then go to the ratio and select the size as 16:9. Zoom in the video to make the full screen black at the start. Play the video. This is how our ending credits will go. Now adjust the length of the video as per your need and use it wherever you want. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.